Okay, the sequence we're going to use for the corner pieces is the same sequence that we used to rotate those edge pieces into place, and it's just repeated 3 times. So let's have a look and see what it does. If I go down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, you'll notice that it's rotated these pieces around in a circle 3 times to restore them to their exact positions. So I can perform this sequence 3 times and end up with only switching corner pieces and not mucking up any edge pieces. That's why we do it 3 times. What you'll notice has happened to these corner pieces is that this piece has come from there and this piece has come from there, so those 2 pieces have swapped. Let's see how that sequence applies to solving the cube. Once I've solved all of my edge pieces, it's time to start having a look at the corners. I'm going to have a look in the top layer here to see if I can find a corner piece with white on it that belongs down here in the white layer. Straight away there's one right here, and that piece actually belongs down here. You can see that it's green, red and white, and it belongs in the green, red and white spot. So I'm going to apply that sequence here and see what happens. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. And you can see that that piece has gone into its position. It's orientated as well, which means it's twisted around correctly. I'm not necessarily looking for that. That doesn't necessarily have to happen. It's just a luck that it's gone in like that. I'm going to have a look again in the top layer here for another piece. There's one, and it belongs, I can turn this top layer around, and it belongs down there. The red, blue and white piece belongs in the red, blue and white position. Let's turn that in with that same sequence. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. Now, what I want is 3 of these pieces in their correct positions rather than 4. So the last one will go into there this time. There it is. Let's put it down. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. From now on, I want to be putting these ones up. Now to take pieces from the bottom and place them on the top, I'm going to show you the sequence upside down. And it's exactly the same, except I just do it the opposite way. So up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. What happens here is that I've messed up the pieces on the bottom but left the pieces on the top exactly as they were. That's very helpful if we are putting pieces up, because we can leave this piece in the same position or leave the bottom face in the same position and just place pieces up, moving that around and placing them up. Enables these 2 pieces, which are switching also, to just switch with each other and remain in their position at the end. So they will go back to their original positions. Let's see how that sequence applies to solving the cube. That piece belongs actually right there. So let's have a go at putting that up, 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 down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. down, down. Now you'll notice that when I've done that, that piece has swapped from there to there, and that piece has swapped from there to there. So these pieces have switched. We have to maintain that in that position so that these will switch backwards and forwards with each other and then become aligned at the end. So we just turn the top layer around and not the bottom layer. That piece belongs in there. Let's put it up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. There you go. Now you'll notice that all the pieces have gone into their correct positions. Some just need to be orientated. Let's have a look at a short sequence that we can apply to orientate the pieces. Let's have a look and see how we can use that sequence to orientate pieces, that is to twist pieces around. We can use it to orientate two pieces at the same time. If I apply the sequence up, up, down, down once, you'll notice that these two pieces here have exchanged with each other. If I do it again, it'll restore them like that, but they've been twisted or orientated. Now the sequence has not affected any other pieces in this top layer. In fact, it only works in a Y pattern across here. These are the pieces in an upside down Y pattern that are affected by that sequence. So if I exchange that piece for another piece, I will also orientate that piece if I undo what I've done, and that piece will remain unorientated while that piece is becoming orientated. So that's stored in a way on the side of the cube there. Now if I restore it, up, up, down, down, up, down, down, you'll notice that those two pieces have become orientated and nothing else has been affected. Let's see how that sequence applies to the cube. I'm going to look for two pieces like this, have the same colour next to each other, and I'm going to place them on my left hand side. And I'm going to apply that sequence up, up, down, down, up, down, down. Form a U-turn to place the other piece into that position and do this backwards. Up, up, down, down, up, down, down. Then a U-turn to place that back. In this case I've got two pieces next to each other where the colours aren't the same. So I'm going to apply the sequence and only orientate one piece. Up, up, down, down, up, down, down, U minus one, up, down, down, up, down, down, U-turn, and you'll notice that only one piece has been orientated. Now the last case I'm going to show you is where we have to do a setup move. In this case we've got two that need orientating that are opposite each other. For this case I need to do a setup move, and I'll need to turn one of those pieces around so that it sits next to the other one, so that we can apply our orientation move there like that. And in this case I'll just need to apply that up, down, down, up, down, down, U minus one, up, down, down, up, down, down, U, and then restore my setup move.